Here are 5 facts about the kakapo you didn't know about. 1. Flightless. The kakapo is one of the few flightless parrots in the world. Its large size and relatively small wings make it incapable of sustained flight. 2. Nocturnal behavior. Unlike most parrots, kakapos are nocturnal, meaning they are active at night and sleep during the day. Their large eyes help them see in the dark. 3. Unique mating ritual. The kakapo has a distinctive mating ritual known as lekking, where males gather in a specific area and compete with each other by making booming calls to attract females. 4. Long lifespan. Kakapos are known for their longevity, with some individuals living up to 90 years or more in captivity, which is unusually long for parrots.